Sinking driveway, settling patio, collapsing stoop, uneven pool deck. It's a fact. Concrete problems don't get better with time, but they do get better when you call APS.
This is the morning edition of the weather briefing video. This is for Thursday, the 28th of July. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather not changing a lot today. A lot of sun. It's going to be hot and muggy. A few spots could see a shower today, but the coverage of the showers and storms should gradually increase over the northern half of the state tomorrow through the weekend. We still can't promise rain for everybody, but a number of places will get some pretty decent summer soakers. So here we go early this morning. This is the upper air look, and I promise we're showing you different maps. It's just that time of the year where things don't change a lot. We've got ridging here across the deep south and the main mid-latitude westerlies, the storm track, if you will, on top of the heat ridge north of the state. Check the radar this morning at the insane hour of 5:13. That's when we're doing this update live, showing nothing across the state. Got a few isolated showers offshore, off in the Gulf, couple of showers up in parts of Kentucky and Arkansas, and that's about it. It's a warm summer morning. Birmingham at 80. The urban heat island effect in the city. Most spots are in the 70s. We're expecting highs today, like yesterday, in the low and mid-90s in most spots. Here's the watch warning map early this morning. No issues here. We have heat advisories west of the state. The Mississippi Delta back into parts of Arkansas, Louisiana, and northeastern Texas. Flash flood watches cover much of the southwest United States because of the monsoon season that is ongoing there. And heat issues back in parts of the Pacific Northwest. Here's the severe weather outlook for today. We have several marginal risks across the country, also a slight risk up over parts of the northeast United States. Then tomorrow, a marginal risk along a surface boundary that's a bit north of the state. We note that marginal risk clips the northern quarter of the state, basically north of US 278. The areas in darker green. Some of the storms tomorrow afternoon there could be fairly strong. The main threat always this time of the year coming from strong straight-line winds. And then on day 3, which is Saturday, no organized severe weather expected across the country. Here's the rain for the next 7 days. Heavier totals will be across the northern counties of the state. This is suggesting the Tennessee Valley could see amounts between 2 and 2.5 inches. About 1/2 inch for Interstate 20, lighter amounts down across South Alabama. And we always point this out. These maps are really hard to prepare in the summer because of the uneven distribution of rain. Might rain an inch in your front yard, nothing in the backyard. You know how that goes. Peak at weather in the tropics, and it's the same old story. It's just quiet across the Atlantic basin. Again, we have a lot of sinking air, subsidence. You need rising air for hurricanes to initiate. And we also have a lot of dry air, dry, dusty air coming off the coast of Africa. So no issues, at least for the next 5 days as we go into the month of August. So model fans, let's go. This is the GFS. This is the OZ run, valid today at 4. Got an upper low that's north of the Great Lakes, ridging in place here. Things just won't change a lot. The sky partially sunny today, highs 92 to 95. And a few spots could see a shower or storm this afternoon. Tomorrow, watching that front north of the state sag southward. It will not be pushing through here. Fronts rarely make it through here this time of the year, but that should begin to bring an increase in the number of storms, especially for the northern quarter of the state, where we've got that marginal risk of severe storms. Otherwise, low 90s, a mixture of clouds and sunshine. Saturday, that front will be stalling out somewhere near Interstate 40 in Tennessee, probably. And again, we'll see scattered showers and storms around. That doesn't mean a rainy day. Doesn't mean it rains everywhere. But a few spots could see a good downpour. The high Saturday, 88 to 92. And pretty much the same thing on Sunday. The higher coverage of scattered showers and storms over the northern counties of the state. Let's go to next week. This is Monday. And again, these synoptic scale maps aren't that useful in the hot season here in the middle of summer. They are in the cool season. But again, we'll have scattered showers and storms about basically every day next week. The better chance during the peak of the daytime heating process. This is Wednesday, evidence we might trend a little drier at that point. And this is a week from today, Thursday, the 4th of August. The ridge centered a little west of the state. And again, hot, muggy, maybe a pop-up storm in spots. Let's go out 10 days. And again, these maps, this is what really tells the story. The upper air maps, about 18,000 feet off the ground. The core of the upper high is northwest of Alabama, the high plain states. And for us, it's pretty much the same deal. What we say so often this time of the year: partly sunny, hot, humid, scattered showers and storms, mainly during the afternoon and evening hours. This is the rain for Birmingham between now and the 11th of August. The green line, that's the mean of the ensemble members, and again, it's showing between 2 and 3 inches. Heat levels right where they should be, if you like climatological averages. If you're new here, this is what we expect in late July, early August. Highs every day from the NBM, the National Blend of Models, between 90 and 94, lows mostly in the low 70s. And the latest CPC outlook, this is for August 4th through August the 10th. And you can see temperatures expected to be a little above average here. The higher heat levels probably a bit to the north. So a few images from yesterday. And again, thanks to all of you for sending these to me. I am honored that you do. Like I always say, I can't repost them all, can't show them all on television, but every one, they are seen and they are appreciated, and they are our window to the world. I was up in Crane Hill, up around Smith Lake last night. Look at those longhorns out there. Great sunset there down on the Gulf Coast. Everybody likes to be there in the summer, including this guy. And again, a lot of folks have beach trips coming up because you know what's about to happen here. School's about to start. And that's crazy here in a couple of weeks. So a lot of folks kind of cram in a beach trip before school starts. This was Panama City Beach yesterday, and if you're beach bound, you're going to see that. And I understand from time to time, sure, there's always a passing storm possibility, but we don't see any really organized rain activity. And again, like we talked about, no tropical storms or hurricanes to worry about. So if you're headed down that way, everything is looking awfully good. So that's it for the morning edition of our morning briefing video. If you watch these, you know we're live every morning about 5:15, every afternoon about 2:30, although most people watch it later, which is cool. We have notes on our blog. That is alabamawx.com. And if you can, we invite you to watch us on ABC 3340 News this evening at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
Sinking driveway? Call Alabama Professional Services. Settling patio? Call APS. Uneven pool deck? Call APS. Collapsing stoop? Call APS. Cracking sidewalk? That's right. Call APS. It's a fact. Concrete problems don't get better with time, but they do get better when you call APS. Call Alabama Professional Services today.